Siapa nga po manong yung isa? Okay, good afternoon and welcome to the Padre. I'm Ordeth, and one among the workers here. This workshop started in the year 2000 by Archie Stapleton, anak ito may isang missionary na may dito in the 1960s. Sorry po. Katatapos ko lang yung mga Ilocano ngayon, nag-Ilocano pala ako. Na pumunta dito noong 1960s. Nakita niya ang potential ng ating local clay at local soil for pottery production. That's why when he went back to the States, he studied pottery, mastered it, and then came back to Sagada to teach the Sagada people as an alternative livelihood. Kung sinasabi natin may potential ang ating local materials, hindi po ibig sabihin yan pwede kang kumuha kahit saan gusto, then you bring it here, can make pot out of it. Around Sagada, we have to scout for a good place to get a clay in which we will not destroy the environment and no one's going to get angry. Whenever we see one that is good, we haul the clay, bring them here, soak them in water for a few weeks, sieve them 2 times until we get a very fine mesh which is like this. After sieving 2 times, it's very watery. We have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks before we can use it. And there are 3 kinds of pottery. There's earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware are low fired. Yung po yung ginagawa nila sa vegan, yung mga paso, yung mga lutuan po. Ang stoneware at saka porcelain, they're both high-fired. We specialize on stoneware. We can reach the temperature, which is 1,300 degrees Celsius. Now, I'm going to show you the making of a pot with a demo fee of 300 for each group. And if anyone wants to try, they pay individually at 100 pesos. Would that be okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay, DJ, kinyata yung dito likod. First of all, I'm going to center the clay. I'm centering the clay with pressure from my both hands, and I have to go with the speed of the wheel. Before we can make any kind of shape that we want, may it be a vase, a bowl, or a mug, we have to do the cylinder first, for that's the basic shape. To do the cylinder, we put a hole in the middle, widen the hole by slowly pulling the clay towards the side. At this point, with controlled pressure from my both hands, I'm going to compress the clay together here at the very bottom. While doing that, I'm pulling it up to the tip of the clay. One more time, my hand should be the one controlling the clay and not the clay controlling my hands. Whenever I pull it up, kailangan ko siyang dinadahan-dahan, hindi ko siya binibigla para hindi siya ma-off-center at hindi mag-collapse. So this is our cylinder. Ito pwede na itong maging pot. But we are going to reshape this for us to see how far the clay goes. So what I'm going to do is to slowly push it outwards here at the very bottom. While pushing, I'm pulling my hands up. Here in the middle, I'm using my right hand and pushing it inwards, slowly pulling it up, supporting my right hand with my left hand inside. Then I'm going to push it outwards at the tip to make a flower vase. We can even make it sexier a bit here at the very middle to enhance the shape if needed be, by slowly pushing it in while pulling the clay up to the very top. And if we want this to be a water container, we can just put a spout like that. So what we do here, we air dry it for 5 days. After 5 days of air drying, when it's leather dry already, we come back, trim the bottom, then we put a handle on it. That's the time din na maglagay kami ng any kind of decorations that we want to enhance the beauty. Then we air dry it again for a month. We cook it in the oven for 10 hours of firing. We have to wait for the oven to cool down. We come back, bring out the pieces, then we apply the glazes. The glazes are the ones who put color and shininess upon it, but it's not like paint that you just apply to it. You can see the color immediately. We have to cook them again to a certain temperature for 10 to 12 hours before the beauty of each piece will come out. They are very good for food containers. They're microwavable, and of course the color doesn't fade. Who wants to try?
Go, tita.
Go ta. Pwede po mag-video.
Pwede video. Oo naman.
Bibigyan ka kita. Gusto mo mag-try?
Hindi, naka-video na ako kanina pa.
Hindi, gusto mo mag-try.
Ayoko.
Ayoko din
Tapos
mag-try.
picturean mo
Ikaw
ako.
pa, mag-try ka.
Pakialis na watch.
Ayos ko yung watch.
Ikaw, Iya, gusto mo mag-try?
Tignan ko muna kung kaya nito.
Ayaw
Try
yan.
lang naman eh.
Ako na yung bag mo. Siya na yung nagkaganyan.
Do you
Akala ko
put the
ikaw.
date when it was manufactured? Yung ganun yan, yung pattern. Kumbaga kung kailan yung siya gawa. Kasi di ba meron kayong certain dates to?
Kung yung ano, kung yung kayo, kung bibilhin yung moto, we put the date. Pero sa amin, we just put our signature and salat.
Pwede namin bilhin yung ginawa niya.
Yes, ma'am.
How much
Pero
po?
ano
At
pa eh.
950 plus shipping.
Ship.
Eh, after 5 days pa,
Tagal pa yun. 1 month pa yun.
Go, tita.
Wet your hands, wet muna.
Bet mo muna.
Both hands. Of course. Hold the clay. Put your 2 thumbs in the middle. 2 thumbs in the middle. Push it downwards slowly to make a hole. Push it down, down, deeper, down, 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 then widen. Widen, widen, widen. Slowly remove your hands. Okay, may I hold your hands? We're going to do the cylinder together. You are going to relax and then slide it up to the tip of the foot. One more time, relax and then slide up, up, and that's your cylinder. That can be a cup already, but you're not going to make a cup. Our beginner shape is a bowl. So 4 fingers inside, here at the bare bottom, tool up, push it outwards. While doing that, pull it up to the tip of the clay. Hold at the top, slowly release. One more time.
One more time daw. Isa na lang.
4, push, and then up, up, hold. Ay, ang bilis ma'am. At hindi ko hagod ng hagod yan. Kailangan magtulak. Sige, apat na daliri sa loob. Push outwards, out,
Out, out, out,
Out.
out, out,
Out.
out, out.
Wala pong nangyayari sa ginagawa ni ma'am.
Okay.
Sige,
Ulit
one more
pa.
time. Push. Push, longer and stronger, not downwards but out. Yan, and slide up, up, up.
Up.
Ay, binibigla naman ang kamay na to. Dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mo lang biglain para hindi siya sasayaw ng cha-cha. And that's your bowl for your
Wow.
tinola.
Tinola.
Wow.
Opo ma'am, hintayin mo lang. Okay.
Galing. Ito, try mo.
Flat, hands flat.
Kaya na yan ta. Wow.
lang.
Bilhin mo na yan,
grabe
Jazz.
ka na. Okay. 1, 2.
Ma'am, gaano po katagal yung shipment niya, ma'am?
Baba mo, ante.
4 months.
1, 2. Okay na.
Gaano katagal? Nakukuha ko na yan.
4 months.
Next year ta.
Ikaw na ta.
Ikaw ta.
How about the other group?
Hindi sila
Ay, sila muna,
naman.
sila.
Represent. Hindi, kayo dapat meron kayong represent.
Alternate.
Alternate.
Sino po sa inyo?
Ang galing, wawala ang vlog.
Galing.
Ikaw na ta. Hindi, sa kanan muna. Full storage na si Tito. Hindi ko na video mo. Kapag video.
Talaga kasi yan. Gusto ko
Hindi, cellphone mo full storage na.
Ay, ako?
Na-capture ko naman ta dito.
Sino na po mo sa inyo?
Know your watch na. Kaya
Kano na?
Bigyan namin ng name.
Yes.
Ipapaship mo.
Oh, next.
Gandahan mo ta, oh.
Kasama yung shipping sa 900 pa, no?
Hindi pa.
Di ba? Ay, hindi pa?
Bibilin yung paso mismo, 900. Plus yung shipping.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Ikaw,
Are you
tita.
ready?
Punitita na sa.
Somehow.
Po, dyan na lang. Ako naman ang magpo-pull shoot to.
I-send mo agad na lang sa amin tapos delete mo.
Hold. Put your two hands in the middle. Push downwards. Slowly lang.
Slowly, sister.
Malakas ang good ko eh.
Huwag mo manggigil. Pusokin mo. Push.
Ginagi agad si
Push. Then widen. Widen slowly. Widen. Widen. Slowly move your hands. Please. Very good. Just compress the bottom part. May you hold your hands. We're going to do similar together. 4 fingers inside, 4 fingers outside. You are going to relax and then slide it.
Try mo din, love.
Isa pa.
Parang
Please
yung
don't
mangkok.
twist your thumb outside. Just
Wala tayong
slide
lagayan ng adobong.
up.
Ipapaano mo?
And that's your sealing bowl. Pwede na siyang maging baso mo, ma'am. But you're not going to make a baso. Our beginner shape is the bowl.
Batayo mo.
So 4 fingers inside, here at the very bottom.
Oo, yung kanya.
Yan. You are going to tulak and then dahan-dahan aakyat. Hold it up, release. One more time, please. Tulak, up, hold, release. Okay. Longer and stronger ang pagtulak sa ilalim. Tulak, tulak, tulak. And then up, up. Okay. Dito pa, dito. Kulang pa po. You are going to tulak. Sige, tulak. Dahan-dahan lang. Tulak. And then tulak.
Wow.
Ayan. Pwede na yan sa sinigang.
Yun,
Pwede na.
sinigang.
Yun, sinigang.
Yung sa akin, di pantay yan.
Naman? Professional ka ba? Pantay sa'yo.
Ay, sorry po.
Picture ka pa.
Oo nga pala, ba madali no? May lakad.
Wow.
Hindi ba bantay?
Ganun ka pa.
Lang naman.
Pambukan na.
Yan. 1, 2.
Ma'am,
Isa pa.
tati ko
One,
naikas pag ship yun,
Wala
hindi
din.
mo lang.
Aday tati i-ship me. Alangan nga sukatan mo.
Para ano, for being
Next.
sa
Ako na airdrop mo na.
Sige po.
Kayo muna. Sige na ate.
Wala.
Ate, dito na sa sofa.
Crush mo yung cups.
Ano ba yan, Ben? Dito na lang. Oo, dyan na lang. Saan kaya ano? Ayoko. Dyan na sa cellphone ko. Mamaya, tumansip pa sa inyo. Galing na. Bilisan mo
Ano
iyan.
pong klaseng soul niya?
Stoneware flame.
Dito lang din ako kuha yan.
Yeah. We scout around Sagana. We take chances in getting them pag may road widening.
Oo.
May expose ang parts ng soil. Ay may gagawa ng bahay. Pag-excavate sila for the posts. Kung nakita namin pwede sa ginagawa namin, yan na po yung kukunin namin, pa-process. And then iti-test sa oven kung kaya niya yung heat na mag-reach namin. Since hindi po lahat ng clay.
Okay.
Ay, sige ta. Wait lang.
So marami na kayong sinusuplayan ng mga ganyan? Nakakarating ng Manila yan?
Of course, we go for exhibits.
Turuan mo na si...
Put your two thumbs in the middle, push downwards slowly to make a hole. Pusukin mo, push. Push down, 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 then wide. Tama lang, tusok ma'am, buka na lang. Buka, ibuka mo po. Bukang buka, iha. Yan, slowly remove your hands. Just compress the bottom part. We're going to do similar together. We're going to relax and then slide up. Isa pa. Slide up. There you go. And that's your ceiling there. Ngayon naman, you're going to widen that into a mangkok. Apat na daliri sa loob. You are going to push. And slowly pull it up. Hold at the top. Release. One more time. Push out. And then up. Ay, ang bilis naman. Dahan-dahan lang po. Tulak muna. Longer and stronger a bit at that part. And then slowly, hintayin mo lang mag-turn yung clay sa kamay bago aakyat. There. O kanina ka pa hagod ng hagod dyan, parang walang nangyayari, man. Tulak. Ay, bakit kasi pinapilantik ang daliri? Apat mo yan. Up. Up. There you go.
Wow.
Nakikita mo ang reaction ng clay? Isn't that better? Pag may reaction ng clay. Yan. So here. You're going to push that out. Kailangan kong hawakan ang kamay mo dito kasi medyo mahirap yan. Baka masira pa ang mangkok mo. There you go. And then slide up. Slide. Up. 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 Hold at the very, very top. Okay na ba yan?
Okay, mangkok mo, iya.
Ang mangkok mo pang ano? Adobo.
Galing.
Flat hands. There you go. Take your time. I'll go get clay.
1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2.
Nice.
Hawak ka mo lang yun. Magsayaw ka.